a song written by John Prine, Speed of the Sound of Loneliness.
What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the road. And I got a love that burns with a fever. And I got a worried and a jealous mind. And how can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? So what in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow has crossed the evil line today. And how can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there just running to be on the run.